We're back with another cooking episode, and I'm here with some special guests.
Hi guys, it's me Sky. Hey guys, my name is Seth.
Hey guys, my name is Sean. But first, we need to wash our hands. Okay, today we're going to make chocolate crinkles, and this is our ingredients.
Yeah, cocoa flour, vanilla sugar, and baking powder.
We also need salt and flour.
We need also sugar and egg.
Now we need 2 cups of flour.
Then I'm going to open the flour and take a spoon and set it there.
Now we need 1 cup of cocoa powder.
Oh, yummy. Now we need baking powder. We add salt. Good job. Now we need vanilla powder.
These are the dry ingredients. Now we move on to the wet ingredients. And I forgot to mention, we need butter.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Now we need sugar.
Now we're going to mix this with the help of a mixer.
It's mixing slowly. I will add my eggs.
Time to add the dry ingredients.
It's looking like
Perfect.
Let me just put it
It's wrapped and ready to be put in the fridge.
for a couple of hours.
The dough is finished. I need to roll it, but first I need some oil, a little bit.
A little bit of oil. Just roll it.
And then I need a little bit of scoop.
Can you take it?
Then I roll it to a ball.
And you take sugar powder.
Sugar.
Put it in sugar once.
Now we're going to bake it for 10 to 12 minutes.
Let's pick it up.
Now we're going to taste it.
Yummy. Yummy. taste, I go with the chocolate and the sweetness. I'm rating it 10 out of 10.
This is my favorite. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Peace. Peace.
Thank you guys for joining me. You guys did a great job. High five!